Hey guys, glad you can join me here. This is day one of my bear hunt. An hour and a half into my hunt, this guy showed up, but I decided not to shoot him. I had revenge on another bear who, if you notice, my barrel is missing. This is the culprit. Nice sized bear. He's probably a 6-footer. I'm after this guy. This is day 2 of the hunt, and if you watch closely behind me to my left, there was a sow with 2 cubs. However, you can only see the one cub. It was a pleasure watching them. Most hunters won't shoot a sow when she's accompanied with her cubs, and I'm one of those as well. Nature at its best. Gotta love it. Yeah, this is a shot with my camcorder. I had this set up for the kill shot. This is still day 2. Just a different perspective of the animal. The sow came into view, but the cubs didn't. This is day 3 of the hunt, and didn't see anything that day. Thunderstorms were rolling in, and we got out early to that day. Our goal's still the same. We're after that big one. Patience is required. This is day 4. The mom and babies came around for another visit. I'm running out of time right now. My baits are shutting down, and the acorns started falling, and that causes your baits to slow down. This is day 5 of the hunt. This would be my last and final day. Leaving the next day for another hunt. So I decided this would be the one I would take. Enjoy the rest of this clip. Hey guys, did a great shot. The arrow went clean through him. Full of blood. We got him good. However, I'm a little upset about my kill cam I had set up. I shot him behind the barrel, so I didn't get a good vantage on the camera. But I had another one set up behind me. You probably will see it with the my lighted knock. In the event, I'm gonna go track this guy. See if it's been about 20 minutes. I'm pretty sure he's down. So let's see if we can find blood. Got some blood on the arrow, guys. Good shot. Clear blood. Good hit. Went right through him. I think my shot might have been a little high. It's not the one I was after. Oh, such an excitement. It's not the one I'm after, but this is my day 5, and I had to end this hunt. Taking off for moose hunting, and this was my last day, and I really got lucky, I think. Look at the blood. Look at the blood here. We're tracking him good here. Let's see. Oh yeah. Good blood. Good blood trail. Oh, look at him here. He's just starting up good. I think we're gonna be good to track this guy. As long as I could keep the blood trail going here. Oh yeah, there's blood here. Oh yeah. Look at here. All kinds of blood, guys. He started to pump a lot of blood here. Well, there you go, guys. He's about a 125-pound bear. It was 5 days of intense hunting. Pretty much every day. And the acorns started falling on the trees, and my baits are starting to shut down. My bait station was starting to shut down. And I'm going on a 10-day moose hunt, and this was my last day to hunt. And I really wanted to film something on camera. It took me a while to get to this point, so you know what? He's just the right size for consumption. You know, he's young, not too old, and it's going to be very, very tasty. So there you go. Whacked one. Very pleased about that. Good shot, right through the lungs. He ran 60 yards from my bait. Anyways, there you go, guys. Hope you enjoyed this segment. This my little video on the hunting bears, and watch for my next one. It'll be going on a 10-day trip, like I said, moose hunting. Again with bow and arrow, and I'll be filming it. Guys, God bless. Have a good one.